Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 13th, 2022. Yes, it's still Wednesday. I've already solved one puzzle in this additional, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left: Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Yeah, I'm not doing all the puzzles in additional. Too much for me, time consuming. Otherwise, it will be a day job. So, the second puzzle, 4 stars Sudoku, I will continue. And this will be number 4845. Before I start, I always count or print the digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24, print the digits. Correct. 4 stars Sudoku. My time limit, yes. 30 minutes or more. That's my time limits. Limit, yeah. 30 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 2 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 1 8, and 2 9. So the ones are in majority. But can I start with the 1 then? I don't think so. I need more information. Well. No, I cannot start with 1. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. Then. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this row, third row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 6 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. I'm scanning. I'm still scanning. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. Okay. Then. 6, 9, and that 4. I'm thinking. 7. Yeah. Yeah. 2, 2. 2 and 4. Come on. Yeah, overlooked. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row, so no row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5. 5. We have a pair. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 5 in a 3. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because these 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Well, we have a double 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3, and that box should be a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 5, 5, okay. Then 7, overlooked again. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 7s. Overlooked the 1 and the 7s. Okay, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7. Wait, we have here. Yeah. And now. Yeah, we have a pair. The 1 and 6 in this column. The 1 and 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. 2, 2. 8 is missing and 3 is missing. 3, 3. We have a pair. 2 and 3 in this row. 2 and 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and the 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the second column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be 9. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Can I fill this yet? Need to wait. Okay. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 1. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. 4. Well. I'm scanning. Choo. Yeah, let me do this. 6. We have a 2, so we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes here. 2 in the second row, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 4 and a 9, 4 and then 9. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9 in the third row, so no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, so no, not between, the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 4 in the middle row. Well, this box can be a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here can also not be a 4 because we have a 4 in that column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there. Well, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Okay. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Okay, 2 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 3. Well, we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. And now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column. Oh, no. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, now only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. 7. Well, the 8. 8. 1. 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. We have a 6 in this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So one box left in the middle row for the number 8. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. I've marked those two boxes with a 9 earlier. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Alright, 9, 9. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 2 and a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have 4 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. Then. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. Two numbers left. No. Need to wait. I need to wait. How about those missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and the 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes and there. Then. How about the 7 in this column, the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. How about the, wait, we have 8 in this row. Oh no, 2 numbers left in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column. Oh, wait, 5 and 8. Now we have 8 there in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9, the final number should be there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? Yes. 18 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, quicker than previous Sudoku, although it has 24 printed digits. Well, told you earlier, if you have a puzzle with a lot of hidden numbers or pairs, then you will need more time to solve. And this one, I'm quicker than the previous one, so you cannot always say the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Alright, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.